Next up, the 22:23:39 from Shoeburyness to Barking. The very last westbound train of the day. Officially. It is indeed. And my phone's going to run out any second now. Which is an absolute pee-take. Literally. Not good. Being worked by 7:26:12. This will be the one booked into East Ham today, officially. Returning back on 2:79, last train of the day. Yeah, 7:26:12 coming back. Off it goes again. Go back to East Ham, that will come back out on Monday. Whatever is over there at the moment, paired with, I think 601's not been there for a while. 607 and 609's there. Yeah, 607 and 609's there. The other one's out. The other power was 609 this time. Oh no, it was 609 Friday. It should be 607 this time. 607. Awesome. That's the last ever westbound train. It's all eastbound for us today now. Taking the last service to Barking via Ockenden. Awesome. I'll move to the other phone now. This one's about to run out.